Please buy the fucking level boost.
No, what the fuck are you talking about, Victor? What the? No, you're not even kidding. That's like genuine, Victor.
Busted, not
I
kidding.
swear to God, I was kidding. I'm not kidding. I wanted that reaction, that's why I sounded like that.
I don't care. Who the fuck is that guy? Undead Mage. Are we killing this guy?
Wow.
You don't want to kill this level 29 Undead Mage.
Maybe.
Oh, but he's a mage. Can I do it? I can't do anything to him. He's gonna like slow me down, you know. Hold me down.
Yeah, but I can dispel magic on you, so I think most of the shit I can get you out
Dude,
of.
go fuck him up.
Can't cast anymore.
Yeah,
You sure that guy's looking sus, bro? I don't know.
Is he? Oh, he's right there. Do we kill him?
Yeah, he just, I don't know how he, like, mages don't have, like an invis or anything. I don't know, he just, like, appeared behind me.
Yeah, legit. Nah, but we kill him, bro. I'm thinking we fuck him up. We just go fuck him up. You get, like, full mana and we go fuck him up. I don't know, bro. You're the one who's played this game. I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I don't kill men that much, less, like, they've tried to kill me. I'm not usually the aggressor.
Should we? Nah, but we want to be aggressive, right?
No,
Do we just look at him? We just look at him, bro. Look at him.
You could do it in a friendly manner, so wait till he sat drinking mana or something, and walk up to him, slash bow, and then start smashing him.
No, slash like spit.
Then he'll be like,
slash
no,
spit.
no.
Yeah, he's a horde player. Do we go at him now? Look at his mana. Do I charge in? Do I go in?
It's your call, Vern. It's your.
Wait, hold on. I need Shadow plays recording. There we go. Are we going in on this man? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'll back you up.
I'm gonna wait for him to like. All right, we go. 236 crit on him.
We have to slash back, dude. We have to slash back.
Oh.
Garden thing, yeah, here we go.
Twilight Grove. What, you said there's a boss in here?
Yeah, there he is. There he is.
Which
Off
one?
the left. Look.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that thing? Emerus? Dragon King
Eris.
boss? Whoa. Go take a hit from him.
No.
Let's go take a hit.
I'll get one shot. I'll get one
I'll
shot.
go take a hit from him.
Alright, you go.
He's coming over, bro. I'll go take a hit. Where's the aggro range?
Gonna be pretty close because you're low. Yeah, right.
No, legit.
Exactly.
Yeah, look at him. He hates me, bro. Come on, bro. I don't know how much he hit me for, but I got one shot.
Put a 15-minute debuff on you as well.
You're massive.
Like, absolutely unreal. Nah, he wasn't as big as you, but he was bald and he had like the same facial hair.
You just found a
And he
bald man
clearly
and you're like,
worked out.
oh, that's Sandy.
no.
Alright, let's go.
That's the thing about being bald is you just look like a random bald guy.
Yeah.
Everyone. You need to kill this guy fast as he fears, remember?
How many thunder? Oh, I'm entering com. Oh shit, I aggroed like a thundering man behind us. Shit. What the fuck?
What, Mars?
He's killing that
What are you
one.
guys doing?
I don't know, you just like killed him,
Pulling
bro.
everything. Oh,
Mars,
my
get the
God.
guy.
Well, like,
He's
it's
getting
not-
me, Mars.
We can't
It's
not
you,
get him.
one shit, Mars, I'm gonna
Oh,
die.
Morris, he's gonna fucking legit die.
Oh my God.
You're gonna die, Morris.
He's running and you're gonna die, Morris. Oh wait, he's legit being blasted through the mountain. I'm gonna blink and I'm gonna charge at him, hamstring him. Are you mind controlling him?
Oh, it's so good. Oh, he's trying to smash me. No, he bullied me.
How long is that?
What
How
the
long
hell?
is it? How long is it?
5 seconds. I'm nearly out.
I can legit charge at him and hamstring him. Once I'm ready.
Okay.
Why are we bullying this 24 man?
Yeah, sing him about. This is so good.
He's used his blink again.
No, I say once I mind control him, we don't actually kill him.
Yeah,
I'll let him
definitely.
go
Not.
free.
Alright, are you ready? I'm gonna.
Fish, my
gonna-
baby fish.
He absorbed it. He's
No,
got
kill that,
hamstring.
kill that thing. Don't kill him, Victor! Don't kill him!
Don't kill him, don't kill him,
Victor!
don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Don't kill him, don't kill him.
He's pulling me again!
God damn it. Morris just wants to
Why
cast
are you
mind
pulling me?
control. I'm gonna charge at him right now, you ready?
Someone give me a stream when you get a chance.
Never gonna get a chance. He's gonna get away from us again.
Yeah, just keep up with him, keep up with him. He doesn't have a mount, bro.
Yeah, but he's almost in like crazy bay. He's fucking pulling these bears every 2 seconds. He's blinked away from the bear. We're not even trying to kill you, bro. Can't even understand.
we don't. Just wave that, hang on, wave that.
Alright, he's hamstring. And I did a 348 crit on him. Go get him, Morris.
He's blind!
It's like 18 seconds. Oh, he's polymorphing you.
No, dude, don't do it again, bro. Come
Go
on.
mind control, mind blast, mind blast, mind blast.
I'm good, I'm good.
Did you get it? Did you
I
resist?
got him!
You got him.
See if I can drink
Hell
a potion on him.
yeah.
I can't drink a potion on him.
What?
I have no
What?
spells though.
Sick. Don't kill him, don't kill him. That was mind blast.
Tell
That
him
was awesome.
Boozy wave. Who's Boozy?
No, he's gonna die to the thing! Go chase, go save
Go
him!
save him.
Yeah! There we
He's
go.
alive,
Go give him a wave.
bro.
Sees you.
Charging.
Doesn't show you.
Hamstring. Overpower.
He doesn't know what to do. He's like shooting mobs. It's like a bot. Yeah, he's shooting mobs, bro.
Alright. Oh, there's a guy! Big guy! Is that big guy or a small guy?
No, there's 2 small guys. Hang on, there's 2 hunters though. I can get one of them.
One of them is dazed.
One of them's poisoned. He won't clip me, but he's got poison on him as well. He's trying to get you. Oh, he fucking froze me. That's so broken, you don't need to be in stealth anymore.
Is that
Yeah, this guy's about to die as well.
stunned?
Yeah, good intercept.
Holy shit. We're gonna go smoke him right now. I'm gonna try it.
The Hunter sucks in early PvP. Just get all up in his business and ignore his pet completely.
He's like frozen me, I'm dead. Oh, he broke it, we broke it.
Make sure to chug health pots.
I executed him, bro. No mana, no health. One shot. 2 honor points.
I just got killed by some random.
Now you've got
undead
some man
mate.
helping you.
I'm gonna execute him. Holy shit, I just killed a fucking 41 guy. What the fuck?
Insane. Just chilling. Dude lady. Stinky. We're gonna hunt him down.
Yeah, easy. He's a paladin though, so legit, he was immune to intercept and everything.
Oh. Man. There,
He's
man.
legit getting killed by a mob.
I literally just want the 60 comeback. I don't care about, like, killing these men or not.
He's gonna come back, you know it. Do we get out of here?
You
Like,
have to
real
kill the same. You have to kill the same men that you killed.
Those
earlier,
are the
like-
same
like
guys.
attracted.
Those are
They
the same. Those are the same guys.
Perfect. Awesome.
The paladin and the warrior. Oh, there's a guy there. It's literally the exact same guys. They're real men. Bad man. Actually, bad man. We're getting out of here, Morris.
No, we have to wait for him to show up.
No, get out of here,
Of
bro.
course
I'm getting out of
not.
here. I'm getting out
No,
of here.
you're scared. Bro.
I'm getting out of here.
There he is!
Oh fuck, there's that guy, Morris! Get out of here! Get out of there, Morris! Get out of there, Morris! Get out! Morris, get out of there!
That was awesome.
Morris!
We brought him back.
He's
Now we
legit
have
not
to
gonna
run.
catch me. I'm gonna get away.
Get away, get on the flight path.
He's not gonna catch me. How is he gonna catch me?
I don't
No
know why I
way.
demounted, bro. I shouldn't have demounted.
No, oh shit, he's coming. Oh, Morris, he's fucking coming on a giant mount. He's so fast. Morris, he's so quick. He's so quick. Morris, get him away from me, Morris. Morris, come help me, Morris.
You're gonna make it.
Morris, come get me, Morris. Morris, he's so close. Morris, he's so close to me, Morris.
King's honor, friend. Safe
Anywhere. That is
Oh
amazing.
my god, Morris.
That was the closest ever.
He was so quick, man.
Left or right, left or right, left or right. No! Gonna miss it. No!
Bro.
What's the shortcut?
Oh, fuck, dude.
Bro!
Are you dead? Hell yeah, you're
really
dead. Oh,
funny
fuck, the
stuff.
lift is
Hey,
here.
but guess where the graveyard is, bro.
Right
I'm gonna
next to
beat you. Secret routes.
Secret routes, he says. Legit did beat me.
Because they know how many people would, like, stupid zombies would just fall off the cliff. I'll have to put a graveyard there. The buffing
Morris. Can I bandage him?
Yeah,
That is pretty funny.
Bandaged him.
The range is that good.
This legit like 30 yards, bro. 25 yards.
Holy shit! Oh my god.
Like those big warrior
you
fans.
fucking just like a 10-hour cooldown.
You think I'm gonna go out so easily? Oh no, I can't. No!
Execute Morris. The execute.
What?
Died to the spider or something. Wait, what?
Mob kill.
He actually died.
Mob killing
Alright.
rubbish.
Absolute fake.
Rubbish. Actually
Corpse
did.
of Mobin.
So rubbish.
You just
No, you owe me like 20 silver for repair,
Repair.
bro. That was your fault.
We're killing this guy.
Killing this guy.
We're killing him, legit.
It's gonna kill him.
This guy is like AFK walking. So almost execute range, bro.
What the hell was
He
he
wasn't
doing?
even AFK because he insta release.
Do this quick quest.
Wait, what? No, Morris is bringing it to us.
Oh shit.
Wait, is it just him? Or the
Nah,
two?
they're both
here,
there.
both here.
They're both
No, nah, he's seen you, man. Yeah, you fucked up there.
They're coming to get us.
They're gonna go one around each side. The
They're
druids and
targeting me,
stuff.
targeting me, targeting me, targeting me, targeting me.
Yeah, you fucked up big.
Oh, yep. Look at that. Bro, get fucked, bitch. Are we going in on this other man?
We're about to get
Sickening.
pounced. Nah, actually, he's probably way too scared.
I'm pounced. Bleed on him. Yep, you're fucking gone, bro.
Nice stun resist.
Oh! Get your potions out, bro.
Do you see that stance there? I'm gonna die. I've already drank a potion.
He's an idiot. You can't hit me because I'm behind it, look.
He's trying to maul you or something.
Yeah, but I can't hit him, I don't have any rage.
Yep. Does he have a stealth opener?
Yeah, he's on me, he's on me, he's on me, he's on me. They're both on me. Fuck the druid, kill him.
execute.
This guy's so dead. Get a heal on me, Morris.
I can overpower him crit in like 502.
No, shout it. You know that they'll see the orcs. They'll see it.
Wait, what? How do you shout? Slash
I
yell
don't
or
even know. Maybe
Yeah.
it's like an American game. So the horde
Oh,
come
right here.
opposite. Do you think there's like some, because Keck is like the classic one, right?
Column just
lol,
said, Column sent me a question mark. They yelled fuck cake babies. Who the hell is Column? He's a level 32 gnome rogue from Pig Squad in Hillsbrad Foothills. Moby kill babies. You're gonna get banned, Morris. There's no noobs in Hillsbrad. It's
It is pretty late, bro.
Alright, man, I'm going to bed.
I didn't even get to kill a noob
Good night,
for
bro.
him.
Alright.
One more check here, one more check here. Where there's oh, there's a guy there. Orc Hunter. Bro, I'm blowing up his pet right now. Look at this guy, Column in here.
What is Column doing?
Column's legit ganking noobs in here.
What the fuck?
Bad,
Big
bad.
squad.
Look at oh, yes I
That's
am.
so good.
Yeah, mountain lion, man. Oh, who's this guy? There's a 25 Blood Elf Rogue here as well.
Alan likes morning rehearsals.
Yeah, well, that guy's a moron.
He speaks highly.
Holy shit, we killed the 25 Rogue. Okay, he's gone.
Come on, Roy can't be alone.
Oh, you're bad for that.
Holy shit, what the fuck, bro? Did we all survive?
True, I didn't believe it. Did you believe that?
I don't.
I'll add another 50. It's all my allowance now. It's all yours if you can make it sound real.
I love you.
He's legit PvPing the Skull and Bones Warrior now.
I
Make it
This is
sound
sickening. On his 63 Hunter that he has camped in Hillsbrad as well. Hey, legit he blew him up! He fucking owned him! Oh, okay, no, the Hunter's ganging on him, right?
How you feeling, Jess?
Oh, cheers, the boat is just about to leave already. No! No, Morris! 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 Oh, I did it! Sick. Sick. Victor, go sneak up there and sap the guy.
Hidden behind it.
Don't go up there.
Boss.
No, you got the tracking on! No, Victor! Oh my
Fucking
god.
Jesus Christ! No, I'm gonna die, I know that, but it's fine.
Nah, you're not gonna die. You're a priest.
Last night at
I'm gonna die, absolutely.
The fence was breached. This morning at 0100, Operation
What's ST
Falcon
chain?
went into effect.
Oh, nice, I got turned into a chicken.
What's ST chain? Look at Morris. Morris, you're getting blown up as a chicken.
It's a chicken, bro. Nice.
Morris.
To prevent technologies from down USA.
You drink that much milk is what.
Sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, is that again an aspect of the Viper? What the fuck is that? I think it's a TBC talent.
There you go.
You have no idea how hard I just owned this fucking shaman that tried
Kids,
to
that's
gank
it. Go
me.
on home. We're closed.
No, wait, please, Mr. Freezy.
He's green for
He's
me,
this
bro.
big man. He's a big zombie. Get away.
Big zombie? Who's a big zombie?
That's the that's the rogue and his mate that killed.
Oh
Can
shit.
you kill that big zombie?
No.
So I killed the rogue. No.
There's no way I can kill the rogue.
No.
You wanna attempt it?
Nah, they're gonna come for us now, bro.
Yeah, no.
I'm coming for
They
you.
got a bigger rogue than me. That's gross. They didn't tell me he's a 70, bro.
Yeah, I did say he was a 70.
No.
That's the rogue that I killed, and then he summoned his mate.
Wait, that's the rogue you killed.
Yeah.
You killed a
with the-
70 rogue.
No, the other, the 58. I killed the 58.
Wait, what? There's a 70 mage as well.
Yeah,
What?
I've been killed by that 70 mage. Can you kill a mage?
I'm trying to think if I can just legit shadow step in there and blow him up.
Well, warn me if you are, because I'm not.
So you're not gonna have anything to do with it.
No, why?
No, you're just gonna have
I
spectators.
need to be prepared to run in on that.
No,
other rogue.
don't run in anywhere because there's legit two 70s in there. I can't do shit. I just want to shadow step in and blow up this fucking.
Oh, blow up the low.
Yeah,
the
blow
low
up the
rogue.
logo.
Oh, okay.
It's a boosted rogue, legit. Are they both slash following him? Dude, I could so blow him up. They're like slash following. Are
I'll
they?
target you so I can de-spell any shit.
What do I even do? Do I premeditate?
Main door. I see Monty.
I'm gonna do it. I got him.
You kill him! You kill him! You get away?
Yeah, get away. Go run. They're coming to get you, bro.
No!
Keep running.
Yeah, you can't get me on horse. He's got no memes. See you
I'm
tomorrow.
gonna take a 4 honor points off of that. That is so funny.
No, that is funny.
In the Tottingham Woods outside Bath, England.
Where else did you find it?
You're gonna love this.
Oh
Visas issued by the British government. Cecil Lively's passport was stamped by U.S. immigration officials 2 weeks ago at the port of entry in Boston.
Call the local field office in Boston of the FBI and get them to fax you the composite the witness did of the man who burned down the bar, and then get them to fax it to every local law enforcement agency in the area.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try and catch Phoebe. This guy could be waiting for them